It's the overcoming process that is the becoming process. The person who's sick, who has the belief that they only have a certain amount of time to live, that's because somebody told them that. Okay, so I got to change that belief. I got to believe something else. That's not easy. I got to stop thinking this way, right? Because thought over and over again is a belief. I got to start thinking this way. So with intention, with attention, I'm going to remember to think this way, and I'm going to remember not to think this way. The person who heals also says, I can't act this way. I can't behave this way. I got to change my behavior. So how do I want to behave? This is fundamental. Rehearse it. The hard part is feeling the emotion your entire day. The body wants to drop down into its most common denominator. But the person who heals understands that if I feel this emotion and my body is so objective that it doesn't know the difference between the experience and the environment that's creating that emotion and the emotion that I'm creating by thought alone, and it's the environment that signals the gene, the end product of the experience in the environment is the emotion. If I feel this emotion, could I signal genes ahead of the environment? Turns out 100% of the people actually did.